stop buying gummy bears. Making them at home is way more fun and delicious. First, grab your ingredients. 1 cup of fruit juice, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of gelatin. Got it? Great! Pour the fruit juice into a saucepan and warm it up on low heat. No boiling, okay? Just a gentle simmer. Now stir in the honey until it's all mixed in. Sweet, right? Next, sprinkle in the gelatin while whisking continuously. You'll end up with a nice smooth mixture. Keep whisking. We don't want any lumps here. Once it's smooth, take it off the heat and let it cool for a minute. Now grab your gummy bear molds. Pour the mixture into the molds carefully. You can use a dropper for this if you want to be fancy. Pop those molds into the fridge for about an hour. Patience, my friend. The wait will be worth it. After an hour, they're ready to pop out and enjoy. Easy peasy gummy squeezy. And there you have it. Homemade gummy bears that'll make everyone smile. Give them a try and let us know how they turn out in the comments. Happy snacking!